Good morning. So today's topic is past indefinite, and yesterday we have discussed about definition, at the same time use of past indefinite, and already we have discussed about helping verb and form of verb. Everything we have discussed, and today there is no more left. We have to make only sentences, and already I told you, when we use present indefinite simple sentence or positive sentence, there is need a subject and a second form of verb. But when we make negative and interrogative negative, such way we have to use their did as per helping verb. And yesterday we have completed positive and negative, and today we will discuss about interrogative. Okay, we will discuss about interrogative. Interrogative. Okay, so as I told you, helping verb is did. Helping verb is did. I, we, you, okay, they, all subjects. In one word we can say that all subject. Okay, so I did not go. So structure of interrogative: first of all helping verb, then subject, okay, then verb 1, then object. That's very important. When we make indefinite or positive sentence, we need to have a second form of verb. But when we make interrogative negative and negative, so such case we take verb first with helping verb of did. Okay. Did you not go to Ajmer yesterday? And finally question mark. Okay, finally question mark. Sorry, I supposed to not write here note. Did you go to Ajmer yesterday? And okay, so did Sita cook rice? Did Sita cook rice? Okay, next sentence is there. Did the teacher punish you? Did the teacher punish you? Okay. Did you visit? Did you visit GT? Okay, did you visit GT last month? Okay. Did you answer? Did he answer Did he answer to him? To him. In the last class. Okay, so these are the interrogative sentences. And now we will think about interrogative negative. Interrogative negative. At the same time, we can use here WH word. And WH word. Then we will discuss about interrogative negative. You know that the WH word always should come first, then after helping verb, then after rest of. Where did you sleep last night? Okay. What did you take as for breakfast? Breakfast yesterday. Yesterday. So in that way, why did you not come yesterday? Okay. Why did you not come yesterday? Okay, why did you not come yesterday? So there are, I can make numbers of sentences, but I think according to your class it is enough. And another thing you need to remember that, so when we make past indefinite interrogative plus negative, almost every class or every part I say you have to put the not in a third form. So let me make you sentences. Did you not go to Ajmer last month? Last month. Okay, last month. Did he not buy this book last night? Last night. Okay. Huh? Did she not dance? Did she not dance last Sunday? Okay. So these are the examples. Within these examples, we have completed past indefinite. And next class, we will discuss about past continues. So I hope you have understood this class. If you have any queries or question or any doubt, so you can make comment and I will answer you. Thank you. May God bless you.